In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Microsoft Word. If you've ever needed to turn a photo upside down or create a mirror image of a logo, this is a quick, reliable way to do it without leaving Word. You'll also be glad to know the same process works for shapes and word art, so whether you're working with a picture, a graphic element, or stylized text, you're covered. Start by clicking the image you want to flip. You'll know it's selected when you see small handles or dots around its edges. That selection is important because it tells Word which object you want to change, and it also activates the tools you need for the flip. With the image selected, look to the top of Word's window and click the Picture Format tab on the ribbon. If you don't see it, make sure the picture is actually selected. The tab only appears when an image is active. This tab is where Word keeps all of the picture-specific commands. On the Picture Format tab, find the Arrange group. Inside that group, click the Rotate button. It usually has a small circular arrow icon and sits toward the right side of the ribbon. When you click it, a menu drops down with several orientation options. From that menu, choose Flip Vertical to turn the image upside down as if you rotated it 180 degrees around a horizontal axis. This is perfect if your photo is oriented the wrong way or you want an upside down effect. Alternatively, choose Flip Horizontal to create a mirror image from left to right. This is useful when you want a reversed version of a logo, a design element that needs to face the opposite direction, or a mirrored word art effect. That's it. The change applies instantly, and you'll see the result on your page. If it's not what you expected, just undo and try the other flip option. Flipping is non-destructive, so you can switch back and forth without losing quality. The same approach works for shapes and word art. Select the shape or word art, go to its Format tab at the top, open the Rotate menu in the Arrange group, and choose either Flip Vertical or Flip Horizontal. Word treats these objects similarly, so you'll get consistent results. A couple of quick tips as you work. Flipping is different from rotating, so make sure you pick the flip options in the menu rather than a rotation angle. Also, if you flip word art horizontally, the letters will appear mirrored, which is exactly what you want for a true reflection effect. And that's how to flip images, shapes, and word art in Word in just a few clicks.